Hey guys! In today's video, we're diving into a quick but full technical breakdown of gold versus the US dollar, and we'll go over the most important buy and sell zones you need to know right now. Current gold price, $3,423 per ounce. Trend: gold is in a strong uptrend lately, so buyers are clearly in control. But that doesn't mean you jump in anywhere. You need to know the exact key levels to trade from. Resistance zones: take profit or short levels. 3,437, 3,452, 3,469. These are all single line levels, so they're weaker. The strongest resistance comes up here. 3,500 to 3,509, that's a double line zone, so it's much more powerful. Support zones, buy zones. 3,403 to 3,396. 3,377, weaker zone, single line. 3,366 to 3,363, 3,358, this is a super strong triple line support zone. 3,350 to 3,346. 3,320 to 3,315. Pro tip: stick to these levels. Don't trade randomly. If you buy or sell in empty zones with no volume or interest, your trade will likely fail or drag out for hours. Quick recap. The overall trend is bullish. But these are the key zones to trade, whether you're buying dips or shorting at resistance. Use them smartly, and your trades will be faster, stronger, and much more accurate. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful, and make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more gold analysis coming soon.